So if you've noticed that in the past few months, HubSpot isn't filling in as much detail as I used to for company information like number of employees, industry, country, let me show you how I've started using GPT and AI to actually fill in the blanks for me so I know which contacts I should reach out to. So I just write a simple formula here, GPTX, and I'm going to tell it, estimate the number of employees for this company, return just a number and no text. And then I'm going to reference cell D3 that actually has the company name right here. And then I'll do the same thing to get country for the company. And for industry, I don't want just a random list of industries. So I'm actually going to write a special formula here that'll use this lookup table I've made that just has a list of common industry categories our company likes to use. But now the real magic is I'll just grab these formulas, double click to drag it down. And just like that, I have information for all the hundreds of new contacts in my list. Sometimes I even take it a step further and we'll actually get GPT to even write the initial first draft based on all the information it's just filled in.